So what we've got is we've got an immobilizer ring. So the original one doesn't work, and I can test it, and it doesn't work. It works sometimes and doesn't work other times. And what I found is that I've taken another immobilizer ring from from an eye load, and I plugged it in because it is the same. But what I found is, I've just stripped this back. What I found is there's a break in the cable, so it normally plugs in there. And if I get this cable in the right spot and hold the transponder to it, then the car will actually start. So if I'll just get the transponder. The transponder's on the other side of this, on this remote. So there we've got the transponder, that little black thing. I'll grab another one. So I'm going to do 3 keys for this car. So we'll basically put the transponder in that ring, and then we'll turn the reds on. And what should happen is the light, the immobilizer light will come on. See how that just flashed? So that's not in the right spot. I'm just moving these wires around a bit. And we go to the Autel. The immobilizer antenna is active, P1691. I raise the codes. Okay, it's been sent. No DTCs. No DTCs. Okay, so it's sent that. So all we need to do now is wiggle and jiggle and get these wires. So I'll just twist that back on. That there for a second. Okay, so got the antenna just there, holding to there, and in this position right here, the car starts. So really the only thing we can do is keep stripping back these wires and the 2 wires for the coil, and find out where that break is. So if I don't move it too much, I just hold it there, I'll turn the car off again. Okay, it's going to start. So that little so this one right here, basically what should happen is that should turn on and stay on. If it's not connecting or it's the wrong one, what will happen is that will actually go out. So it will actually blink on and then turn off. See that? So what I've done now is I've just put the coil around the ignition where it should be, and they're not touching, but just that angle just there, there's obviously some kind of break in this cable. So even if I hold the transponder close to the actual coil itself and try, so I'll put it just there and I'll do it. the car won't start. So it just blinked again, so got to get the right spot. There we go. Car starts. So right where that is, right there. So we'll strip that back. We'll put some, we've got some Cat 5 just there, which is perfectly fine for just transmitting data, because it is, so I'll just double it up, and it's twisted pair, so we should be right. Okay, so if you have a problem where the Hyundais, I've actually got I've got two vans over there, one there and one here, and I have had some issues before, but not with this. So what happened is the brake lights on that van would just automatically come on, and what it was is it wasn't the actual pedal switch or anything like that. It was actually a break in the cable somewhere between the dash and there, and then you've got the side door, so the cable runs through there, goes down there, and then goes to the back of the car. And what I had to do is I took the kick panel out from there, and I had to run a new cable from the foot switch to there, and that's what I did. And I did that on both sides, and now the brake lights work properly. So Hyundai seem to have a broken cable issue, and that's it. So we've got two remotes going on this car, or sorry, three remotes going on this car. It's just beeping because of the thing is not put together on the keys. So that's that. So I will fix this and solder this up and heat shrink it all, and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching.